One of the things that I hear most as a spiritual coach is, I can't meditate. I would love to meditate, but I can't. So many people have convinced themselves that they are unable to meditate. In this video, I am sharing 4 ways that you can practice meditation for beginners and for those who think that they can't. One of the biggest misconceptions about meditation is that you need to clear your mind of all thoughts. This is not possible, for the human mind is an endless procession of thought after thought after thought. Meditation allows these thoughts to be there while remaining neutral to them. These forms of meditation will help you learn to do that while instilling inner peace, more stillness, and calm. Candlelight meditation. This meditation is simply lighting a candle, sitting in an easy pose, cross-legged with your back straight. With eyes open, stare at the flame of the candle. It is okay if your thoughts wander. Anytime you notice this, pull your attention back to the flame. You can start at just 1 to 3 minutes, extending the time you sit in this meditation as you can. Sat Nam meditation. Again, sitting in easy pose, take the 4 fingers of either hand and place them on your wrist. Find your pulse. In rhythm with your pulse, speak the mantra Sat Nam, which means I am truth or truth identified. Sat along with one beat, Nam along with the next. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, and repeat. Doing this meditation for even just a couple of minutes can enhance the magnetic field. It can help you to be more even and less reactive. It can instill more peace within. Gyan Mudra. This is a Kundalini meditation that is amazing for releasing stress. It can be done anywhere, anytime. Gyan Mudra is pointer finger to thumb, which ignites knowledge. And you rest your hands gently in your lap. This meditation can be life-changing when practiced daily for 1 to 11 minutes or longer if it feels called. This meditation typically calls for 8 breaths. However, today we will do 4, and you can extend to 8 as you can. Breathe in with 4 counts through your nose and exhale out of your mouth for 1. You close this meditation, inhaling, holding your breath for 15 seconds, and exhaling, rolling your shoulders forward. And inhaling again, holding your breath for 15 to 20 seconds. And as you exhale, you move your shoulders, feeling the energy. Heart-centered meditation. This is one of my favorite ways to practice meditation. It helps to increase feelings of love, joy, gratitude, and appreciation. It increases the electromagnetic energy of the heart, which is said to be 60 times greater than that of the mind. Place your hands over your heart in the center of your chest, focusing in on your heart, pulling all of your attention to your heart center. You can envision a door over your heart. open this door, opening up your heart, pulling in feelings of love and gratitude as you inhale, and then exhale it out into the world around you as far as you can imagine. Meditation has a long list of benefits, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Practicing meditation allows you to find more stillness within the chaos of life around you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Jenna. I am a spiritual mindset and manifestation coach, and I appreciate you so much for being here. Thank you for watching.